Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to enable Customer Portal in Zoho Desk. Alright, let's begin. First, log in to Zoho Desk and go to the Setup section by clicking the gear icon. This is where you can access all configuration options. Next, navigate to Channels and select Help Center. Here, choose the Help Center you want to configure, as each one can have unique settings for different customer bases or product lines. Once you've selected your Help Center, click on Access Settings. This is where you control who can access your portal. Enable Customers Can Sign Up to allow self-registration, making it easy for customers to submit tickets and manage requests. If you want more control, turn on Moderate Customer Signups to approve registrations manually, ensuring only legitimate users join. By following these steps, you can effectively enable and customize your customer portal, streamlining support and enhancing customer interactions. So, that's basically how you can enable Customer Portal in Zoho Desk. That's it for this video. Thanks.